We cannot. One pastor, I spoke to one pastor. And he said to me, Jabbar, do you know it's healthy to masturbate? I told a doctor who came to visit us. I said to the doctor, there's no such a thing that masturbation is healthy.
Yeah.
I told her to I said there's no such a thing. Did you know there was a man who slept with a woman when he had to make the woman pregnant? The Bible said he pulled out his privacy en na die grond toe geslaan en die Here het hom doodgemaak. Ja. Want die saak moes voorgebring het. Toe vat hy die saak na die grond en God killed him on the spot. And you come and tell me that masturbation is right. If you masturbate, you've got the spirit from the pit of hell. Come on! The amens brought minder and minder. Because what happened? If this young daughters listen, the world is speaking straight at school, they speak straight. If our young girls, they do masturbation and they use those things, when they get married, they are already tired. Die mensen zullen trouw, het vat en zit, moe geloop, die persoon trouw. En I see as you loop daar, die is moe, die is moe, die is moe. Something is wrong. Can I say something? I'm closing now. Can I say a few words? We are teaching our children because they watch pornographic on the phone and everything. The child sits with the phone for 24 hours, does not sit with the parents, and suddenly die kind is altyd in die huis in 24 ure, maar die volgende dag die kind is swanger. You can't monitor them. And you don't tell them this is wrong. Any doctor that says masturbation is right, that doctor is a spirit from the pit of hell. I don't care what graduate he or she is. According to the Bible, it's evil. And I am unapologetic. There was another one. I'm closing with this one. I'm closing. Ek het 'n ander suster in die gesê, sy die sat by sy in die kind in. Jy gaan eendag traan hy. Jy gaan traan hy. Ek meen met Derek, ons lewe vandag in 'n wêreld in is God se genade.
Amen.
As 'n jong meisie trou en sy is nog 'n virgin. Hoor wat hy sê. Vandag is God se genade. By the age of 12, 11. Die goed is die meeste van hulle is kapot, is finish. Vandag as 'n meisie trou en sy se maag, ons moet dankie sê vir die Here. Vandag is hulle trou en hulle stap nog. En die goede, hulle sê dit nie weer nie. Ek sê in die lokasie, hulle preek nie weer van die goede. Waar